Alright, so you have an Android tablet and you want to unlock it. The first thing you'll want to do is to locate the power button. You'll usually see the volume buttons that can sometimes look like one large button, and somewhere next to them you'll see the power button that turns the display on and off. Depending on your tablet, this will be either on the top or on the side of your tablet. So locate the button and press it to turn on the display. If nothing happens, make sure the battery isn't dead. Plug it to a charger, wait 10 to 15 minutes, and try again. The actual unlocking part is usually done by swiping up. With the display on, I'll swipe up, and the tablet unlocks. On most tablets, it doesn't matter exactly where you swipe. Could be in the center, could be off to the side, it all works the same. After you swipe, the tablet either unlocks, or it might ask for a PIN code, password, or for a pattern. This all depends on the level of security your tablet is set to. I've set mine to have none of that, but if you have sensitive info on your tablet or you travel with it, it's highly recommended to have your tablet locked with a PIN or something similar. This all can be adjusted in your settings, and you'll find the screen lock options under the lock screen menu within your settings. Once I'm in the lock screen menu, I can change the screen lock and biometric settings. On my tablet, I can choose between a PIN code, a password, which can be letters and numbers, a pattern, or a simple swipe up with no codes or security involved. A lot of tablets can also use a fingerprint scan or face recognition to unlock the tablet, which is nice because with those, you don't need to type in a code every time you're unlocking your device. Some tablets will have the fingerprint scanner built into the power button, and some have it under the display. Some tablets will also allow you to use a double tap like this to wake up the screen, which allows you to unlock the tablet without reaching for any physical buttons. On a Samsung tablet like mine, you can enable this in the advanced settings under motions and gestures. Anyways, that's how you unlock your Android tablet. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe on your way out. I post similar, quick, and easy tutorials almost every day. Thanks all, until next time.